Alright, so I wanted to show you guys the birds.
Goodbye, farewell, and amen. Margaret.
With MASH.
Right.
TV shows
Ow.
for 2000.
Oh.
Putting the final nail in the coffin in 2005.
So, over
Everyone's
there.
waiting.
Don't worry, birds. I'm not hurting anyone.
Funeral parlors, 6 feet under. Margaret, back to you.
TV shows bathroom episode 400.
This sitcom in 1993. One for
Forrest,
the road.
you don't have to worry.
One for the road. Lights out in Cheers. Margaret.
Lemon's right there.
Cause of death for 400.
Forrest.
Frederick Chopin. This ailment of
Neat.
the lungs and larynx per his death certificate.
And then there is the 3 birds.
Right.
Cause of death for 800.
Philosopher William of Ockham, circa 1347. This disease that killed many other Europeans.
He wants to be the star mom.
Margaret.
Yeah.
Plague.
Boris.
Cause of death for
Yeah.
Cartoonist.
He's like, what are you doing?
Working as a diplomat in Ecuador.
Where's Lemon?
Lemon's in the back there.
You got it.
Cause of death 1600.
Or no.
James K. Polk, the president who died the youngest aside from those assassinated. This
Is that Boris?
waterborne disease. Christine?
What is
There's
cholera?
Julie.
Boris and Nate
Cause
are
of death
blue.
2000.
Chester,
I know.
the president who died the second youngest aside from those assassinated. Bright disease of this organ.
Lemon is yellow.
You got it. Yes, very good.
Oh, okay. Boris and Lemon
The
are.
first known reference
parents.
to baseball ends, away flies the boy to the next destined post, and then
Oh.
with joy. Christine?
What is home?
And then home with joy, yes.
Blissful stands.
Nate's trying to give Lemon.
Nate's proud uncle.
Nate's trying to give Lemon a kiss. And
Boris.
2000.
Okay,
no.
for 2,000 more if you're correct. Here's your clue.
Yeah, they're cleaning each other's beaks.
With this 1725 work. One began, spring has arrived with joy, welcomed by the birds with happy songs.
What is the Four Seasons?
You seem relieved, yes, you had 2,000.
Antonyms 1200.
The classic song Tears of a Clown rhymes sadness with this opposite. Christine.
What is happiness?
I don't know. I just find it so interesting watching these birds.
Yes.
Feeling sheepish for 1200.
Sailors know a sheepshank named for its resemblance to the animal.